Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kashilong Bar Association hannen kasngi ka arpandai trek ujuleo kalapan ko buram yaki sangut ki muktiar ne kinong ya saaj an ki balakan jo syakasan posnam karta hakajing sakri jungki hakakam ya saaj an haki yeng syari baper kentop ru hakamegalaya high court. Kini kisangut ki muktiar ki kentop yo Muhammad Yukuf Sediki ubalatrai ya kini kam kasan poprasnam menta ubal sedang ya kam ko munong ya saaj an hausnam kat khandai spa an rupo nang tau Bishnu pada datta ubalatrai san po arsnam ubal sedang ya kini kam hausnam kat khandai spa an rupun reo nang tau ba Garnel Stone Masar ubalatrai san po isnam ya kini kam bat ubal sedang ya kini kam hausnam kat khandai spa an rupunyo bat uwai pat udai Usunil Ranjansen ubalatrai ya kini kam lasan posnam menta bat ubalas dang ya kini kam komunong ya sajan hausnam ka khandai spa an rupun reo yakini kisangot lapun ko buram dau Chief Justice jongka Meghalaya High Court Muhammad Yakuf Mir.
This Bar Association of Shillong has produced some great persons. I hope the youngsters who have joined recently the bar and others who are in middle age will try to follow their footprints. See, beauty in the system. Ours is a country. It has different multilinguistic, multidimensional, multireligious. What is that? There are different flowers of this country. When these flowers bloom together, we find a beautiful fragrance all around. And when this fragrance impacts us, results can be wonderful. But our attempt at every effort and every stage shall be to see that there is no pollution. We shall stop the pollution so that this fragrance is not adversely affected in India. The infrastructure of the judiciary in Shillong, then the better administration of justice. I think I may not have to do much because roadmap is there. Great people have been here. Great legends have been here. They have left the pulpits. I think we have to strengthen it. We have to prove ourselves to the expectations of those legends who have shown the path as to how to administer the justice to the common masses. I have certain reports about the functioning of the subordinate judiciary. So far, so good. I am satisfied so far, but I am still monitoring it. Case work is very low, but depends upon that means people are peace loving. That's why case work is low, and especially on criminal side, there is less pendency. This is my perception. Perhaps it is because people are peace loving, they are not engaging in criminality. As the Chief Justice of this High Court, I will always wait for suggestions from the legendary seniors who have been facilitated training. And I have my great thanks to the Bar Association for upholding great traditions. These are the great values, and these great values should be imbibed by one and all, and there should be continuity in it, so that we can see a better and better future in the judiciary in Shillong, so and it will have its impact on the whole country, I hope.